Know someone who grinds their teeth while they sleep? That's called Bruxism, a stress-driven habit that slowly destroys tooth enamel, tightens the jaw, and leads to headaches and facial pain. Most don't even know it's happening, but a simple mouth guard at night can save your smile. Send this to the friend whose teeth are secretly doing MMA every night. Hit follow before your teeth tap out. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more crazy what-if facts, and drop a comment. We read every single one.